Let's provision a Raspberry Pi in under 10 minutes using Avocado OS. This is your dashboard for Avocado Connect. Right now I'm on the free developer tier. This is our launchpad. You can see our workflows and platform guides. These are all just going to help you get up to speed and up to date. We're going to start with getting started, doing an OTA for Raspberry Pi. These are the steps we're going to walk through. Initializing and booting. You will need the Avocado CLI installed. I already have that installed. You can see that here. We're going to get started. All right, we're going to initialize the project. It's going to pull the project from our open source Avocado OS repo and change directory into that. This is going to handle the Avocado Connect authentication. So if you're already signed up for Avocado Connect, this initializes and authenticates you. This is going to initialize the repo with the Avocado Connect features. Just agreeing to everything here. Next, we're going to actually install, but first we are changing our target to Raspberry Pi 5. That's all we had to change. All right, now we're going to install. This is going to pull down all of the packages. Takes a couple of minutes, so we're going to fast forward here. All right, so now we're going to do a build. Now an Avocado build is going to now compile everything that we need, make all of our images. We're also going to fast forward now here as well, just as this takes a few minutes. All right, now we're going to provision. Now the one thing we do have to change is our provisioning profile is on an SD card. So I've added that call here. This is going to run, create that boot image. Now I'm going to put in my SD card, plug that into my computer, enter. Before all that happens, we're going to get TO set up. As this runs, all right, so this is going to be used for us to actually see the boot on the Raspberry Pi. This is using the UART USB adapter. Once I can pick the actual device. There we go. All right, so once we are done writing the image to the SD card, we'll pop that in and boot it up. This takes a few minutes, so we're going to fast forward a little bit. All right, now I'm going to pop the SD card into the Raspberry Pi, go back to TO here and power it up, and we should see all of the boot. All right, there's no password, so it's just root, and we're in. So we have fully booted a Raspberry Pi OS. We have fully booted Avocado OS image. We're just going to poke around a little bit here. You can see everything is running. We're going to look at the logs for heartbeat here. All right, you can see we've got some of the logs as described in this reference. Now, some other fun things that we can do. We go back. Let's go back to the demo or the OTA instructions here. We can look at the runtime list for Avocado control. So we can see we've only got one runtime. That's our dev runtime. You can see that nothing's that we're connected to our tunnel service, but we don't have any active tunnels. That'll come into play in a second. All right, now let's make some changes. You can see the directory structure up here of now that everything has been built and installed and built. just change this interval from 30 seconds to 10. And then why don't we just change what we are displaying and what we're logging. And we'll just put demo in here. All right. So go back. We'll do a build. This will create a new image with a new runtime with our updated extension. And just following this guide, we're now going to upload the newly built runtime to Avocado Connect. So you can see that our, let me just grab. All right, you can see our fleet here. So you can see our device. This is our Pi that just checked in. So let's go back. Pick up where we left off. All right, let's upload this runtime. This is going to package up that runtime and upload it to Connect. All right, let's go back over to our fleet here. Here's our device. And let's go over to our runtimes. Here is the runtime that we just uploaded, and it's been published. So now all we have to do is deploy it. Just put a name here. And let's make it clear it's a demo. All right, pick my cohort, my Pi. Let me get over to the logs so you can see what it looks like. All right, now this is going to create a tough repo, handle all of our OTA, and you should see this pop up that this is receive the OTA. That worked. Now let's look at the heartbeat here. All right, and you can see what we were previously doing here, running every 30 seconds, and then we restarted our service, and now you can see the update. So now you can see the demo coming across, which is the update that we made, and it's happening every 10 seconds. Yeah, that is our walkthrough of, and so now let's go over and do a tunnel just to show off what that tunnel service looks like. So now I can actually SSH through WireGuard to my device. Now, even though I'm connected locally, still just showing off this functionality. You can see the same exact functionality if I was connected over UART, all works. So there's our demo, getting a Raspberry Pi provisioned in under 10 minutes, as well as just seeing some of the additional features and functionality of Avocado Connect, doing OTAs, doing tunneling, all supported through the Avocado OS.